Hey everybody, welcome back to my den. I'm Gargoyle, of course. And today we're going to be working on the Diecast International Builders build for October 5th. It is any adult beverage vehicle. So I decided I was going to do this teetotaler. It's an old delivery style vehicle and I thought that'd be perfect for what I have in mind. So let's go ahead and get into it and get it drilled apart. That's enough. Oh yeah, perfect. Didn't want to drill too much of it because it is a plastic base. Don't want to mess the base up. And it only has the one spot for drilling, so the one post. There's our motor. We're definitely going to polish that up. The base we're going to leave the way it is because then we keep these same wheels on it, believe it or not. I'm actually keeping the same ones. I thought about going with some new ones, but these will fit for what I'm doing. It'll look right. So I'll leave it. Our interior, which there's nothing to. And I'm going to take this over and drill it in the drill press and get it into the regurgitation juice. Be back in a little bit. Alright, well that's over the regurgitation juice. I'm going to go ahead and start on this part, this polished up. What? Hold on.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Alright, back to paint. I'm going to show you guys the decals. I don't normally show that because, well, let's be honest, it's a patience thing. You have to have patience in order to do decals. I don't have much patience some days. Just kind of depends on the day. But today we're going to go ahead and show it to you. So, go ahead and get into it. I use Microsol and Microset. Especially the Microsol kind of melts it into the body lines and over, if you get any curves or humps or anything, that's what's going to do that. Microset which I put on first, helps with the adhesion and with you being able to move it around just a little bit at the beginning. That way you can get it positioned right. So yeah, that's why I use them. Dip it in the water. They say 30 seconds. You can do 20 to 30 seconds usually. Kind of depends on the decals that you got and where you got them from. Slide over just a hair on there. Now I like to take and use a Q-tip. Get just about where you want it. Hold the edge of the Q-tip and pull the other side out, just like so. And just take a Q-tip, position it where you want it, and roll the water out from underneath it. Look at, we got a little bit move there. That's what I mean by the micro set. You can still move it a little bit afterwards, so you can get it lined up exactly how you want it. Something like that. That's all there is to it. Let's see here. I haven't laid all these out yet as far as where they're going to go. We're going to do it as we do it. Thinking right there. Grab my trimming scissors. Now these decals that I'm using are actually made for a gasser. But as some of you guys know, a lot of the times I use different decals for different cars that they weren't made for. It's just a matter of finding a good placement and making it look good. Like all these here are all the scallops and stuff that were around everything, all the pinstriping. I'll put some of that on it in some spots, but yeah, it won't be that much of it. Huh? Something like that. Now, the other one I wanted to do on the side, I don't think it's going to fit. Not quite enough room for it. It's going to be this original recipe, and I wanted to put it underneath, but yeah, it's not going to have enough room. It's going to run into the apple, and you won't be able to see it, so we'll leave that one off. We can flip over to the other side. Actually, I'll do the top, and I can do the other side without you guys having to watch. Because it'll be the same thing we just did. That's what I do. I'll use one of these other ones up here on the front of the top of it. There'll be plenty of room there, I believe. I have to cut it in half and do the words above each other. Almost forgot. Yeah, don't forget to put this on before you do it, because otherwise it could create problems. Ask me how I know? Yeah, I've done it. Like so. Let's see how one of these looks on there. It may be awful close. So we'll take and cut that. Out there. Hardest part of being patient is trying to get them to line up as much as you can. Looks like it'll be good. There we go. There we go. Oh, right down there. Just like so. I'll go ahead and do the other side, and then this is going to go in the dehydrator for a little while to make sure all the water's off underneath the decals. And then I'll do a clear coat over it to protect the decals, and then we will be back for our reveal. Stay tuned. And this is what we ended up with. The theme was supposed to be an adult drink of some sort, and I thought this was a good one. You know, not just regular Jap, but apple flavored. Give it a little taste. Anyway, that's it for this one. It's in the books. What we started with, in case you forgot. Hopefully you like it, and everybody else likes it too. Remember, the turn-in day is on the 5th, so you'll see lots of other people that participated in the build between now and then. Please, by all means, check out their videos and leave them a like or maybe even a sub. Until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.